Good morning. 1 second for you, many hours for me. Gonna get started on this door header. So I got my tools, my materials. Let's get it going. Alright, that header's done. Now I've got the door frame unit. Gotta get all of the materials. Looks like we'll need to pull some screws on the drill. So got those set up here, and let's get to work. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Give a like and subscribe if you'd like to see some more stuff from me. Okay, so we've done the door frame over there. That was good. Pretty simple, thank goodness. And I'm gonna do this one here. So my first 10-foot wall is the second, or 2, whatever. 10-foot wall 2. So this is what I'm gonna get to. Here we go. All right, good job. We finished with wall 2 on the 10-inch side. Next we have wall 3 on the 10-inch side, or 10-inch side, 10 foot. So we got wall 3. Now I guess I still need to put these on as well. So, oops, guess we'll finish wall number 2 first with some plywood. That'll be cool. Alright, it is done. It says to flip it over carefully. That's kind of the instructions, so I set up a little tarp area here to catch it, and we'll get to work on the next wall. Alright, workspace is cleared. Got the wall over there. Have to probably move it around a few times because I don't have enough space to put the walls all the way around each one. So, on to wall number 10-foot wall 3. So, get all the supplies, start working away. If you're keeping track, we're on the 10-foot wall number 3. I finished this part. That's that. Now I gotta do the back of it here. So I've got my sheets and my small pieces. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. There's my tools. Let's do it. And there we have it. Wall number 3, according to the kit. I made myself laugh because I was thinking well done and I said, wall done, LOL. Alright, gotta get this one moved off and start on the next. Okay, got my materials ready for 12-foot wall 4. And I've got to do one more after that. 12-foot wall 5 with a door in it. And here we go. The excitement is too much. Time for the panels on wall 4. I'm gonna see if that tent is strong enough to hold it while I finish wall 5 with the door. And I can put these things together. Alright, here we go. Got my stuff ready to go. Just 3 of those panels. Wow, time for me to set this wall aside and do my 4th and final wall. There's 1, there's 2, and that was 3. One more 12-footer with the door. So stay tuned. Wall 5 with the pre-assembled door frame unit, which we have right there. Okay, there's all your parts, equipment, there's some lumber. Let's do it! Well, that was cool. Very excited that the door worked out. Right at 64 inches for the entries. For the entrance. Whatever I tried to say. You know what I mean. Alright, now I've got to cover up. Put the walls on. Here we go. Well, it is getting late. I'm gonna probably have to work still. I've got one every 12 inches along there. Um, might be a second one, I don't remember. I'll have to check. Once I've got that done, then I get to lift up the wall. And then another wall. And another wall. And another wall. And then the roof. We'll see you soon. Okay, we got night vision until it turns off. See how dark it is. Let's get her going. Alright, it is 7:21 and dark at 30. There we go. Got the light turned back on. Here we go. Look at that. Got a wall in. Got 3 more to go and a ceiling. And look at that wall. Look at that wall. Alright, time to get to work. Gonna get a friend to help me with that wall real quick. Then I'll be right back nailing it in. Wall number 2, done. Oh, the lights turned out. Yay. All right. Time for wall number 3. All right, one more wall. This thing's about to be 4 walls. Need a roof though. There it is, as you see it. Got the 4th wall up. Gonna button it up. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the roof on, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so first thing in the morning, if it's not raining, I'll be right on out here getting this done.